The topic is all about statement of the problem. Number one, what are the demographic profiles of the respondents in terms of age, gender, time spent per day using e-learning platform? Number two, how is the level of e-learning satisfaction of the students be described? Number three, how is the level of academic performance of the students be described? Number four, is there a significant relationship between the effect of e-learning satisfaction and academic performance of third-year HRDM students? Statistical treatment of data. Number one, percentage. The researchers will use this to determine the frequency counts and the percentage distribution of the personal-related variables of the students. The researchers will use this statistical measure in terms of their demographic profile. The formula is the percentage is equal to product of frequency divided by the number of samples and multiplied by 100. Number two, weighted mean. The weighted mean used to compute the sample size of the respondents, where the computed weighted mean is equal to the product of frequency divided by the number of samples. Three is the person-product moment correlational coefficient. This was used to measure the relationship of the respondents' effect of using e-learning platform to the academic performance. The formula is presented where the R means the linear correlation coefficient, the N means the number of pairs of data present, the summation of X means the sum of all X scores, and the summation of Y means the sum of Y scores, the summation of X and Y means the sum of the products of corresponding X and Y scores. The values of persons R were interpreted as shown below. From 0.00 to positive negative 0.20 interpret as a slight correlation. The positive negative 0.21 to positive negative 0.40 interpret as a slow correlation. The positive negative 0.421 to positive negative 0.60 interpret as moderate correlation. The positive negative 0.61 to positive negative 0.80 interpret as high correlation. The positive negative 0.81 to positive negative 1 is interpreted as very high correlation. The significance of the correlation was obtained using p-value with the following interpretation. If the p-value is greater than the level of significance, the correlation is not significant. And if the p-value is less than the level of significance, the correlation is significant.